In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap tokens in Trust Wallet. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from one token to another, and you'll know exactly what each screen and field is telling you, so there are no surprises. First, open the Trust Wallet app on your device and head to the swap section. You'll find a clearly labeled swap button on the main screen. Tapping it brings up a simple form with two fields. You pay at the top and you get underneath. Think of this as telling the wallet what you're giving and what you want to receive. Next, choose your tokens. In the You Pay field, pick the coin you want to sell. You can scroll or use the search bar to find it quickly. Make sure you select the correct token, especially if there are lookalike names. Then, in the You Get field, choose the coin you want to buy. The app will automatically match a route for the swap and show you an estimated value based on current prices. Now enter the amount you want to swap. You can type a precise number or tap your balance to autofill. As you set the amount, keep an eye on the estimated output below. It updates in real time to reflect market rates. If the token you're selling is also used for network fees, consider leaving a small remainder in your wallet so you can cover the fee for this and future transactions. Before moving on, take a moment to review the details the app provides. You'll see the conversion rate, any provider or network fees, and often a minimum received amount that accounts for slippage. This is your chance to confirm you're comfortable with the rate and that the fee looks reasonable for current network conditions. When it all looks right, tap Preview Swap. This screen summarizes everything in one place, so read it carefully, double check both tokens, the amount you're paying, the amount you're set to receive, and the total fees. When you're satisfied, select Confirm Swap. Your device may ask for confirmation using your passcode or biometrics to authorize the transaction. After you confirm, Trust Wallet will process the swap. You'll see a brief pending state while the transaction is submitted and confirmed on the network. Keep the app open until you see the completion message. Once it's done, return to your wallet view, and you should see the new token balance reflected. If the token doesn't appear right away, give it a moment for the network to finalize. That's it. You've just completed a token swap in Trust Wallet with confidence and clarity. Thanks for watching and happy